Hey guys, I got some new fidget spinners. Remember these? This one? We need to put them on. So, hello. Okay, guys, I got this, the red one that you guys saw in the different video, and this one from the same video from the white one, and this one too from the same white one. So let's get that out of the way. Also, I got this for, we went to Chicago. I'm sorry we couldn't film Chicago, but I'm gonna probably go back someday and go back and go get more fidget spinners.
And we're going to Indiana in 2 months, and we're gonna get fidget spinners there.
Hey, we're going to Indiana in 2 months.
No, we're not.
Oh! Sorry. Okay, I got this one, a new one. Look at that.
Alright.
Also, these little things, those little things right there, they spin like this. They spin. Comment down below if you guys got a fidget spinner. And this is my best one. This one. This one. It's a Captain America one.
And we're gonna be
It's
gold.
gold. And look, if you guys can hear that.
It was just gonna be a family thing. So yeah.
Also, you can screw them on and back off. Go check out my sister's video. She's over there filming right now. You can hear her. Keep it down! I got those. I'm making a YouTube video.
Yeah. So, your butt.
Let me see. Yes.
I got these ones.
What? How did you get one of those?
Flashy one.
I had this like the next day when I was over Chicago.
I just got this one today. We went to Chicago.
I know.
I got the big one.
Oh yeah.
A black one.
They give me the wrong kiss. But hey, bitches, I'm sorry for fucking you off.
They probably won't look up, but it is gold.
Okay, that was a short video.
This one, it's a rose gold.
Bye.
I'll show you out of the package.
Sorry. Sorry.
And these little things could come up.
Oh, sorry.